This is the DJI Mini 4 Pro. I just picked it up this morning. I'm excited. Let's unbox it. DJI's newest drone in their ultra lightweight category. Less than 250 grams. There's some of the specs we've got on there. Show all the sides. We got fall colors coming, so I want to get some pictures going. All right, we're gonna try to unbox this without tearing everything up. There's a QR for the app. And we got a box here. There's the drone itself. And that is it. Okay. Now this, I'm gonna assume, is the controller. And this did retail about $9.50. I'll have to look exactly. But here we go. So let's go ahead and tear into the controller here. All right. I'm liking it. Feels nice. We got the standard grip texture back here. I like it. What else was in this box? That's it. All right. The drone itself. There she is. That is a button. All right. It's my first Mini. There we go. She is lightweight, that's for sure. Oop. And there we are. The DJI Mini 4 Pro. I'm excited. When wind dies down a little bit, we're gonna get this guy out, see how she performs. All right. Thanks for watching.